We'll guide you through how to take a photo with the built-in camera on a Mac. Whether it's a MacBook Pro, Air or Neo, an iMac, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can go and take a photo for a profile picture or for something else. So we're going to guide you through this, and you don't need to go and download any third-party apps as well. We can actually use an app already on the Mac. So to go and get started with this, the easiest way to go and open it up is to come to the top right of the Mac, to the magnifying glass. You can go and click there, and what you want to do is go and type in photo space booth. You should get suggested it, and with the arrow keys you can go down. With it selected, press enter, and it will open. So here we are. The camera will then go and load, and you can actually go and use a video in the bottom left here, and you can check out different effects. And to take it, you can go and press the icon. You'll get a countdown and the photo's then taken, and there it is. If you go and click on it with two fingers, you can go and export it or delete it.